I thought the show was brilliant. It's a good way for our rangatahi to know our New Zealand history, as it's not been told. But I thought the show was awesome, I thought the cast was awesome, and the whakaaro of the directors was great.
Throughout the whole performance I had mixed emotions. It really hit all the heartstrings, and there was a lot of humour, a lot of sadness, a lot of angry, a lot of happy. Yeah, it was cool.
After seeing it, it was everything I expected from it, more actually. And it's actually uplifted a lot for me, and given me more hope for a brighter future, hope to educate, and hope for our young ones as well, the potential they have to continue our kōrero and our whakapapa and show that to the world.
It's so beautiful to be in front of that whare, and the energy was really uplifting, and awesome to hear the stories being told in this location.
My favourite part would have been Mākaretu and the Ngātapa hill. I felt that was the most emotional part for me, and that's why I hold it close, because it's the most, I feel like that impacts the most on the crowd, because it brings the realness and the reality of what actually happened into perspective.
Like Lawson Field Theatre, I felt, because we had to create the energy for our show, whereas there was already a lot of energy set behind us in Te Hauki Tūranga, so it gave a lot more purpose to our performance, especially for me too, because that's my marae. And I'm just happy we're done it, it's our last show. Oh.
I always thought of this as being like a mihi to the whare and a mihi to what's occurred, and a healing space for us to be able to tuku, to be able to let out what has occurred, and this is actually the best space for that. Doing it in the theatre is one space, but this space is a whole other healing space for all of us as a nation, really, to come together, to hear, to listen, to feel.
Lots of tears, lots of things like you have to do it in more places, and I think we do, but I've got this thing in my head about what is the it, because I know the story is made of full of moving parts, and so we just want to keep working what those moving parts are out and deepening it. So while I think it's true that the story needs to go out to more places, I think also we just need to keep make.